Unworthy servants that we are, O Lord, grieved by the guilt of our deeds. We pray that you may gladden us by the saving advent of your only begotten Son, who lives and